Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to see this sales dashboard. This is a very simple dashboard that we will be making in less than 20 minutes. So let's get started. So we have opened a new Excel file where we have put a simple logo here on the left side, that is the panel. Now we have this data, that is the input data. We have sales KPIs of McDonald's, that is we have actual and target data. Then we have profit data, where again we have actual and targeted, then customer amount, figures, and all others data. So what we are going to do with the second tab, we have contact details of our various key portfolio holders. Now we are again in the dashboard tab, where first we will have to create a structure what we want, that is we can say the UI of our platform, that how it is going to look like. So again to make this, first of all we have to clear the line, so we are clicking on view and grid line, so all the lines will go off so that we will be having a clean slate. Now we can create the UI in this. How we are going to create it here is like we can put some of the labels and some of the figures here. We'll go to insert, then illustrations, we'll put on slate, and then this rectangle, rounded rectangle shape, we are just taking it here. We are just taking the first because we want to put some KPIs here. We have formatted it to clear the shape, then we are just copying it and making some of the more KPIs. However, right now we will also have to give a heading that we have forgotten. So now we are just trying to make a heading above it. Again we have pasted the same thing, and then we are extending it to the last one. Now what we can have here is we can go to like we will be just right clicking on this thing, and then again illustrations, shapes, and this text box we will be choosing, where we will be giving it a heading. We are just giving it a name of, because it's a sales dashboard, so we will name it sales dashboard say 2025. We will be formatting our text now to we can make it bold with the help of Control B. We can change its color. We are making it right now blue color, and we are making its size bigger. Again we are just making it to the center so that we can it looks good. Okay, now what we can do is we have this we can even just we will be just filling it because there is a border that is been showing, so we will just remove the border here, that is to no line. So the border of this text box is removed, so it is now looking a little better. So the same thing we will be doing in with this other boxes, where we want to put our various KPIs. That is we'll go to insert, illustration, then save, then text boxes. We'll be just writing right now here KPI 1, and a similar thing we can even write the same thing like KPI 1, then KPI 2, KPI 3. So what I am doing is just copy pasting the first one which I have done, and pasting it to the again the same places. So now this will be KPI 1, 2, and 3, where KPI is key performance indicators, that are the business that basically show in one instant what are the values. In below now this I am just doing it so that I can have a graphical representation or chart, and another graph I will be making here, and in the right side also similarly we'll be making a bigger graph where I am planning to give like a geographical view, which regions are doing good and which regions I can focus on. In this like third KPI this will be shown. I'm just making it a little bigger now. Okay, so now our format of the that structure of our board is ready. So we can now next move on to our next steps. That is, first of all, I am editing the heading of this thing. So first is sales KPI, and where we are taking it from the input tables. Okay, so second is the profit, and the third one is the customer KPI, that is the number of customer. Second is the profits that we have made, and third is the number of customers that we have. Here we are going to say so the sales stand in this figure, comparing it with various things, and then here we can so say customer satisfaction rating, so that we know how much satisfied the customer is. Then in this tab we are going to see the various geographical sales by geography. Okay, so I'm just writing its region wide sales. Now what we'll be doing is we will be again inserting some of the charts now in this and some of the figures here. Okay, so right now I will just select all these things so that I can format all these things. Okay, so I'm just choosing it at no fills, and the border lines I'm just make it a gradient link. First of all, I'm just making its border a little look little better, so making it its shadow. In the shadow tab I can choose any one of them. You can experiment with any of these things. I'm just right now taking this one, which I think is suitable and is looking good for me. Now let's move on to the next thing. First is we have sales, so I'm formatting it's the headings, all the headings. So I'm just making it a little blue so that it matches with the my dashboard. All the things are mostly in the blue shades, so I'm just making it right wise and for all the headings. Okay, even I can resize it to the appropriate level if I want to resize it. So region wide sale I have made a little bigger. Now next thing is we have to match it to the values that are here with us, and we have to match it to the tabs. So for the sales figures, right now I'll just again I'll go to insert, then illustrations, save, and text box. In the text box, when I'll just make it, because I have to make it dynamic, so I have to make it I have to connect it to some of the input cells of the input table. So right now I'm not able to see the formula bar, so I'm making a formula bar player here. Now I'll select the cell that I want to refer to. Okay, I think it is not taking, so I'll just write it on the formula bar. I'll first put a equal sign, and then I'll select the cell that I want to show, then enter. Then now it is showing that value here from the input table. Similarly, I'll just copy paste the same text box to the other table and just change the values here that these cells are referring to. Here for profit, if I go to the input, then this is G5, and for customers it is J5. So I'll just make these changes on my dashboard now. I'll just change it to G5 and to J5 for number of customers. Okay. Now next thing is we have to create a graph for sales values. So here are our sales values for 2021 and 22. I want to see the graph here. I'll select all of this. I'll go to insert, then recommended charts. Now this line chart is looking good to me, so I'll just take this one only, select it. Okay, now I can cut it and put it on my dashboard now. As you can see, there are some lines here, and the values are a little bit unattractive right now because of this is starting from 0 and 250, so I'll have to change this thing. What I'm doing is I'm just selecting it, and then I'm trying to remove the border lines from it. So first of all, when I double click on this chart, the right side tab will open, that is the format chart area. Now I'm just selecting this chart. Okay, Right now I don't need this chart title because I have given this title before itself, so I am just removing it. Now even the border lines we have removed here. Now as you are seeing that the values from 0 to 200 are not available, so we have to we can remove this blank area. How we will be doing it? We are just selecting this values here, then I'll go to basically format data. It should be a format data. So where it is, okay, I'm not getting it. Okay, now this is the data. I'll do format access. Now this is the maximum and minimum that has been given. Okay, so minimum I'm just making it 150 and the max is 250 is okay. So now it's looking a little bit better. Even I can make it 200 also. That will be good from my side. Okay, I'm making it 180. 180 looks good to me. Now the chart is clear and visible to me, and I can see the differences. Similar way for the customer satisfaction, I'm just selecting the data, then again insert and illustrations, insert and the recommended charts. Then in the recommended charts, say what type of, we can choose, will go to the all charts and we will be seeing what type of chart will be appropriate for us. This bar chart is looking good to me. However, I can choose even other charts also, like this radar chart also suits well. Even sunburst chart can be chosen. So as of now, let's go with the bar chart only that we have seen it. Selecting it OK. Then now again I will just cut it and paste it to my dashboard, and I'll resize it again as per my dashboard so that it looks good. Then again this the lines of this chart are to be removed and this chart title is to be removed, so I am removing the chart title, and now borders are also removed now. Okay, now it's looking a little better and aligned with the things. Now third thing is sales by country, for which I want to have a geographical chart or country chart or map chart. So I'll just use recommended charts. Then in the all charts I will be choosing map here. Where is the map? Okay, this is the map here. I am choosing it map chart. I can choose it different format that we'll be going to do it next. So I have selected it OK. Then I will cut it and paste it on my dashboard so that I can clearly see what all things are there. Okay, now I'll again I'll remove the borders and I'll align it to the dashboard that I have done. So I'm just making its border clear. Now okay, now I'll have to remove this again chart title also. Right now I'm just taking different versions here, like different formats. This is a black and white format, and dark black and white is also there. However, I think for my presentation, white background and black indications are good, so I'll just take that one only. Oh, I think I just mistakenly deleted it. Okay, Control Z. Okay, so what we have to do is I'm again choosing the same thing that's looking sufficiently good. I'll just take with this one. Now okay, so I think all the things are changed now and the values are also looking good, and the sales dashboard is almost clear to me. Now what will happen is whenever the values in the input tab will be changed, all these figures will be changed. Okay, even we can do some of the more things, like in the sales thing. If we do something other thing, that too we can do. Okay, so all these tabs are now ready. Now I'm just making it left, the sales one, so that I can even show the pie chart also here. So I'm just selecting it and making it at the appropriate place. Then let's make some of the more charts, because I have actual and target values, so I will use a chart that shows this differentiation. Okay, so I'm choosing it donut chart. and I will again remove the title and I will cut it and paste it on the my dashboard. Now I will resize it so that it fits on my appropriate tab. Okay, I will resize it a little more. But it's looking a little smaller, and the background is also making a bad effect. So I'll again, now the things are good, but I'll have to remove these titles. Okay, now it's looking a little better. This will show me how much are my sales. I can do the same thing for profits and number of customers also, as per my requirement, how visually appealing it is. So I can do that thing. Now this is my complete dashboard that you can see. This is a very simple dashboard that we have made. Okay, what else we can do is so let's go to the input chart and try to change some of the values, and we can, so that we can see it. Even we can these are the things that we can link it with various other tabs, like this is the table tab. I'll just right click on this thing, link it to the input tab. I'll select the input tab here and I'll click OK. So now whenever I'll click on this tab, the input tab will open. Same way we can do, we have done with this mailbox. Whenever somebody clicks it, all the values will be open. Similarly, we can do it with the question mark also. What we can do is we can link it with some of the even address also, that is a web page. If I say that I want to go to google.com, then I click on this thing, so I can just write down the address here. Similarly, we can do it with this MACD heading also. So now whenever I will change the input figures, like if I am changing it like this is the value 215 here, if I change it to 299, okay, so let's see the dashboard is changed or not. You will clearly say that dashboard is appropriately changed. We don't need to change the dashboard now. Similarly, if I say that I'm changing the value of something else, let's see, I'm just making it actual sale of 5,000. So let's see our dashboard is changed or not. You will see that in the dashboard the values are changed. Okay, even if you see the geographical sales detail also, country by country, if I change it to say only 50, this was right now 500, I'm just making it 50, so you will see that the color of this thing is changed. Okay, so you can just make it like this is a very simple dashboard that we have made right now in almost less than 20 minutes. So this is the thing that you can do. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and for more of such videos. Thank you. Good day.